Myself, Dr. Bharti Patil, working as an assistant professor physics in Maharaja Jivajirao Shinde College, Srigonda, Ahmednagar. I have already started the syllabus related to solid state physics, that is PH332, related to Savitribai Phule, Pune University, Pune. I have started the first chapter, that is the crystalline state, and during this, in our previous lecture, we have seen what is number of atom per unit cell and what is the value of number of atoms per unit cell for SC, BCC and FCC. Number of atoms per unit cell for SC comes out as Z is equal to 1 by considering the contribution due to the corner atoms. Then in case of BCC, the Z value comes out as 2 because the contribution due to the corner atoms is 1 and there is an extra atom which is located at the center of unit cell. Then in case of FCC, we have found that the Z value is 4 because the contribution due to the corner atom is 1 and contribution due to the face centered atom is 3. Like that, we have covered the point related to Z, that is number of atoms per unit cells for SC, BCC and FCC structures. In today's lecture, we are going to see what is coordination number and what are the values of coordination number for SC, BCC and FCC structures. What is coordination number? Coordination number is defined as the number of equidistant atoms the given atom has in a crystal structure. Suppose I consider any atom in a unit cell, then in a crystal lattice it is surrounded by number of atoms, and if we consider or if we count the number of equidistant atoms from given atom, then this value is called as its coordination number. If the coordination number is more, then structure is said to be closely packed. It will be cleared by observing this figure. One atom is shown and the atoms which are equidistant from it is shown in the figure. Now we have to calculate this coordination number value for SC, that is simple cubic structure, body centered cubic structure and face centered cubic structure. We will start to count the number of coordination number for SC, BCC and FCC. It is denoted with letter capital CN. While considering coordination number of simple cubic structure, we know that in case of simple cubic structure, there are 8 corner atoms and there is no any extra atom which is located in the interior of the body. Therefore, for each corner atom, the neighboring atom is the next corner atom. Therefore, if we consider the nearest neighbor, then the corner atom is the nearest neighbor to the present corner atom. And suppose we calculate such nearest neighbor in case of a given corner atom, then we will find that in a crystal plane there will be 4 such corner atoms in the plane of given corner atom, and there will be extra corner atom which is located in above and one is located below the considered corner atom. Therefore, the number of equidistant atoms in case of given corner atom will be 4 present in its plane, 1 present above its plane and 1 present below its plane, that is 6. Hence, coordination number for SC comes out as 6. Now, in case of BCC structure, if we consider the BCC structure, then there are 8 corner atoms and 1 extra atom which is located at the center of body. For given corner atom, the nearest neighbor is the base centered atoms, and if we consider the nearest neighbor, or if we count the nearest neighbor in case of a given corner atom, then each corner atom is in contact with such base centered atoms. Therefore, the equidistant nearest neighbors in case of BCC structure comes out as 8. Hence, it will have CN number, that is coordination number, as 8. Is it clear to you? For given corner atom, the base body centered atom is the nearest neighbor, and any corner atom is in contact with 8 such base centered atoms. Therefore, its coordination number becomes 8. Moving towards the calculating the coordination number of FCC, we know that in case of FCC, there are 8 corner atoms and one extra atom is located at the center of each face. If we consider the nearest neighboring atoms, then for a given corner atom, the face-centered atom is the nearest one. And if we calculate the value of equidistant nearest neighbors in case of FCC, then a given corner atom will have such face-centered atoms, 4 such face-centered atoms in its plane, 4 above its plane and 4 below its plane. Therefore, the total number of nearest neighboring atoms in case of FCC lattice comes out as 4 plus 4 plus 4, that is 4 due to the nearest neighboring atoms in its plane, 4 nearest neighbors above its plane, 4 nearest neighbors below its plane, that is 12. CN number is 12 in case of FCC. Thus, during this lecture, we have covered what is the coordination number and what are its values for simple cubic structure, body centered cubic structure and face centered cubic structure. Thank you.